In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a tool that is underutilized but is so friggin' amazing that it can create leaps and bounds in your business. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Tony. I am the founder of Successful Salons. At Successful Salons, we inspire and educate salon owners to create successful salons through proven strategies and systems and unique marketing tools. So, have you ever had a moment in your business where you thought, I should have done that, or wow, why didn't I do that sooner? Or I knew that was going to happen. Or you've had a funny feeling that somebody might leave. That is your inner knowing. That is your intuition. Following your intuition is the best business tool resource that you could ever have. The insights that your inner knowing, your intuition can give you in business is phenomenal. It can create so many leaps and bounds that you will look back and think, why wasn't I doing this sooner? It can also help you to stop making costly mistakes. So how do you develop your intuition for business? Okay, let's get started. First one, tune in with yourself. Using your intuition is such a powerful tool that you can use to help you in your business and help you making business decisions. It's your superpower. I found that the more I've been able to tap into my intuition, the faster I can make really good decisions that help me progress towards reaching my goals or achieving my goals. Sometimes we can get stuck going around in circles because we just don't know what the best decision is. And something that can really help in these situations is your superpower, is your intuition. Have you ever had a hunch to do something and followed it through and the results were amazing? Or have you ever met somebody and had that bad feeling like this is off, something here is not quite right? That's your superpower, that's your intuition. That is your inner voice, your inner knowing giving you guidance. So totally tune into yourself, totally tune into those little messages that you are getting and tune into using your intuition. So now we've identified what that is, the next thing is paying attention to your intuition, paying attention to your superpower. The one thing that we all must understand is that your intuition has always got your best interests at heart. Your intuition, your inner knowing, doesn't want to hurt you, doesn't want to put you in a situation where you don't feel safe. It's got your best interest at the forefront. So let's talk about random thoughts that pop in. Well, they're not so random actually. Let's talk about these random thoughts that pop into your mind, that you'll be driving along and all of a sudden you'll think of something, or you'll be driving along and to somewhere that you've been 100 times and you drive this particular way, but then you'll go, actually I want to go this way. This is your intuition. This is your inner knowing, giving you messages, being little whispers. I like to call them little whispers. So the universe, or your inner knowing, your intuition, gives you like these little messages, what it wants you to do. So maybe you're in the process of hiring a team member, and this team member walks in and you get this gut feeling. It's like a warm fuzzy gut feeling, like this is my next team member. That's your intuition guiding you. That's just it letting you know, you just have to pay attention to it. So what can happen is you can think, okay, right, yeah, this is my next team member. And then what will happen is your mind will pop in and go, well no, this has to happen, she has to meet this, she has to meet this, or he has to meet this, or he has to meet this. And so then you're not saying that you have to go through the process, because you do have to go through the process, and sometimes our feelings can get intertwined with our intuition and you have to differentiate the two. So it still is a process that you have to follow when hiring your team members. But that's your intuition. You know, maybe you've met somebody and you felt really drawn to them. That's your intuition. People come into your life for a reason. It may be a season, but they come in for a reason. This is your intuition just guiding you to this person. They may be having, you may be able to help them, they may be able to help you. Something's going on. So we need to learn to listen to what our inner voice is saying to us. It's saying it for a reason, and we need to learn to listen to it. So which brings me to our next point, and this is all about inspired action. So these whispers, your intuition is giving you these messages, and then you want to take some inspired action. So for instance, in the scenario of injury, you didn't do anything about it, you didn't take any inspired action by taking that time off, then intuition got louder by forcing you to take that time off. So we want you to take inspired action when you're listening to that intuition. So you tuned in, now you're listening to it, you recognize it, now it's about taking that inspired action. So what is inspired action versus taking action? So inspired action comes from the heart. It comes from your inner knowing. So it's when you know in your hearts of hearts that this is the right thing for you to do. It's at the deepest core, and you feel peaceful, you feel really good about it, everything is aligning and it's just flowing. There's so much ease going on, it just flows. It could be just taking action by just going through the motions because that's what you're meant to do, or that's what everyone else is doing. It's when there's no ease or joy and it feels like it feels hard. So when you're taking action that is not inspired, it just feels like you're constantly going like this. But when you're taking inspired action, it's just like, this is fun, this is joyful, this feels really good. So there we have it, how to develop your intuition for business. Listen for those whispers, tune into yourself and take inspired action. If you were to ask me, I would say that intuition and business go hand in hand. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, then I really would appreciate it. And if you're looking for some extra support, then feel free to come and join us in Successful Salons Club, and I will see you in the next episode.